Hey everyone, this is Anupama and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you are doing good. So the festive season is on and Diwali is about to come, and as you all know that Diwali is incomplete without lights and decorations. So for that today I'll be showing you an unique lampshade which is made out of cardboard, and trust me guys, I didn't use any glass in this, and it is easy to make, and all the materials required are mentioned in the description box as well. You can check the links over there. So let's get started. Before that, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. So guys, this is the design I'll be using, and I drawed it on a white sheet. And if you find it difficult, you can choose any simple design of your choice. And now take an OHP sheet like this. This is a thick OHP sheet. Just place it over the design and make sure that the sheet is not moving. Secure the sides with the masking tape. Now start tracing the design on the OHP sheet. Here I am using black glass liner. So once you're done with the outlining part, allow it to dry completely. And then carefully remove the OHP sheet. So this is how it looks. Now start coloring it. And here I'm using glass colors which are solvent based. So guys, if you are beginners to glass painting, one thing you should definitely know: the difference between the solvent based watercolors, solvent based glass paints and water based glass paints. I highly recommend you to use solvent based glass paints as they are durable compared to that of water based glass paints. So now we are done with the painting of the leaves. Now let's start the bird. Here I am using blue color. So once I'm done with the birds, I thought of giving it a shade. So I'm applying bit of pink. You can even use your brush to merge both the colors. Using moss green for the background. So now we are done with the painting part and allow it to dry completely. Now let's start making our base for the light or lampshade. For this I am using this old carton box of Mobile, as this is very strong and perfect to make a good lampshade. Start painting it with white acrylic paint to make it all white. Now flip the box upside and mark 5 points, 4 on the corners and 1 on the middle, and make holes. Use any sharp needle to make holes like this. Flip it on the other side and on the center make a big hole. The hole should be of this size, and this will be the bottom part and this will be the top part. Now take string lights and pass it inside the box like this, and by this you guys know why I had made the holes, and this is the reason, just to pass the string lights inside. And we'll be placing this on the top, the batteries, and as it looks ugly we need to cover this portion. For this I'll be making a tray, cardboard tray. For this I'm using this old cardboard, and according to the size of the box I made few cuts like this. Now using hot glue join all the pieces. Even for this tray we need to make a hole. Now cover all the sides and edges with masking tape. Now our tray is almost ready, and then let's paint it with a white acrylic paint and allow it to dry. And now let's fix this on the top of the box like this. Make sure that both the holes are at same place. Stick both the parts using hot glue. So now to give a clean look on the sides, I am using this glittery foam sheet. Stick it along the sides using hot glue. And now cut the excess foam and follow the same process for the other side as well. And for decorating the bottom part, I'll be using these crystal beads. I got each one for 10 rupees from local craft shop. I'll try to post you the link if they are available in Amazon. We need to attach them on the bottom part like this. So for that, take a thread and pass it through the hole and secure the thread by placing knots. And now pass the thread through the hole of the cardboard box. And now separate the threads and insert one bead into one thread and then place a knot. The reason why I placed the bead is after placing the bead, the knot doesn't come out of the hole. In the same way, hang the crystals to all the holes. To make them extra secure, I'm attaching the beads with hot glue. So now I'm using the string lights. I got this from local craft shop for 80 rupees. The length of the string light is 1 meter. Even these are available with Itsy Bitsy. I hope the price is around 99, and I will also try to get the link from Amazon. So carefully pass the string light through the hole and pull it inside and place it in the box like this. And now you can see our battery holder is secured on the top. And now we'll attach the OHP sheet on the top like this. For this I'm using Fevikwik. Now carefully place the OHP sheet on the box and stick all the sides carefully. So now let's decorate the top part. For this I am using this mirror strip. Cut it according to the shape. And then stick it over the top. You can see here, even for the sides and bottom, I applied this mirror strip. You can see here our battery holder is secured on the top. And now let's on the lights and see how it is. Wow, it's so beautiful, right? So now to hang this to a wall, I'm using this 3M tape. This is very strong than regular double-sided tape. Such a beautiful look, and just it brighten up the space, and I totally enjoyed making this project, guys. And I hope you guys also enjoy this project, and please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and please do consider subscribing if you like my videos. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.